Hello guys, welcome to Catutor by Rocky YouTube channel. In this video, I will solve the exercise number 9 using AutoCAD 2D. These all dimension are millimeter. First, I will make it as two circles, distance between 106. The circle 1 is 22 dia, circle 2 is 42 dia. Let's go to AutoCAD. First, I will make it as line. Ortho mode on for make it a straight line. Line is 106 and the end to end circle dia is 1 is 22 dia and bigger dia is 42. Circle diameter 42 and like it as mirror it. And this offset is 38 and 38, this radius is 16 and this dia is 16 and this radius is 24 and this distance between two circles is 80 mm and I will make it as center line to downward position and I will make it as offset 40 to right side and left side and top to bottom offset is 38, offset 38 and click it as bottom. And circle dia is 16 mm and circle radius is 16 and I will make it as mirror. And this radius is 24 mm and remove the unwanted material. And this line as make it as tangent line between two circle, dia 42, radius 16 and I will make line enter, shift click and right click. I will make it as tangent, click on circle outer body and same process, click shift and right click, enter tangent and click it into circle. Okay, and I will add mirror in right side position and you will remove unwanted materials. Remove and these two lines also remove. Okay, this circle is extend to next position. Okay, this is delete it, make it as circle dia 24. Okay, the lower portion is complete and make it as 40 offset. The smaller dia is 42, the bigger dia is 64. Though this line is 8 mm gap, 1 2 3 4 5 6 number using array, equally divided 6 number. Okay, let's go AutoCAD. I will make it as 40 offset 40 and extend the center line, extend the center line. I will make it as dia 42, circle dia 42 and another one dia is 64, circle dia 64, enter and make it as 8 mm gap. This one is 8 mm gap. I will make it as 4 mm offset, this side upside and outside. I will make it as offset 4 mm, upper side and lower side, and I will trim unwanted material. make it as array polar, select the center point, make it as 6 numbers. Okay, and remove the unwanted material. I will trim. This one is unwanted material, the outer circle is unwanted material. This trim, and inner portion also trim. And make it a center line extend. Okay, this portion is complete, and this radius is 80, and make it as 2 circle tangent. Circle dia is 80, and I will make it as this line. Click on line, enter, shift, hold on shift, right click, and make it as tangent. Click on the circle, and same process. Click on shift and click on right click and click on tangent and click on circle. Okay, this line has tangent line. I will mirror it. I will extend the center line. I will make it as circle center line. And remove the unwanted material. Okay, this line has converted into center line. The line type scale is bigger. I will change 0.25 more but visible. Okay, and match pro and a line color is green. Center line color is green. I will match the center lines. Match property. I click on which color, which die is center line. And this line I will make it as color 30. And match property, click on color and click on which color converted into this color. Select this one. These are all. It make it as color 30. Okay, drawing is fully completed. I will make it as dimensions. First I will make it as dia. This dia is 80, this dia is 64, this dia is 42. This one dia is 42, 2 numbers. This dia is 22, 2 numbers. And this radius is 16 mm, and this dia is 16 mm, and make it as 2 numbers. And its radius is 24 mm. Okay, and make it as distance linear. Click on center to center. It is, this one is 80 mm, and this distance is 106 mm, and this portion to this portion is 38 mm, and this portion to this portion is 40 mm. Please, this drawing is completed. Please like and share my video to get more information. Subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.